Hello again, YouTube. AJ Shaver here, and we just got a phone call from Dom down at B3Q Barbecue. He ordered up 2 bags of cherry and 1 bag of hickory. So for a tool to really survive here at my woodlot, it has to multi-function. So we have our rotator set of pallet forks, and I did remove the new stabilizer arm out of here. So I'll pull the camera out of the tripod, show you what we did, and just kind of explain how we're going to make these into just regular pallet forks, but still keep the support arm with the rotator forks. All right, so I tipped these just so you would know they're the rotator forks, kind of obvious this way. So this is the new support bracket that we put on here for the arm to stick out through. And what we did, we put 2 brackets back here on the actual fork themselves. So it takes the same pin out of here that you would normally use in there to hold it, and then it'll travel right with the set of pallet forks. So what we have planned is we're going to use those 3 pallets, 2 cherry and 1 hickory, and we're going to bring those over and we're going to load them onto the log loader trailer using the telehandler, because it's just what we have around. And we're going to throw that up here on the deck of our AM7 1600, 7 feet wide, 16 feet long, 16,000 pounds, with a 19-foot reach grapple on it. So we'll probably go right from the tail lights up to about where the grapple is there, and call it done. But that's the plan for today. And then probably tomorrow we'll take that down and drop it off down at Dom's at B3Q Barbecue. I swear, it was honestly like 50 degrees this morning. It went to like 40 degrees around noon, 1 o'clock, and now it is snowing. I think we've experienced spring and winter all in like 2 hours here today. So I'm gonna get this tied down and we'll see what else we can get done for the day. Snow. Beginning of March. We haven't had like winter. All winter. And today I'm out here trying to do this. So I'm going to try and take the tripod, or try to remember to take the tripod with me when we go down to Dom's, so you can see me swing these over. But those are the new rotator pallet forks with the support arm, working just as regular pallet forks. Now that it's stopped raining, I think we're going to go over and play with the SplitForce machine and maybe dump out a tote or two. We'll kind of play with it, but for now, that's our log lift firewood bags. Just in case I forget to take the tripod with me, I'll do a little close out here. If you need anything as far as the firewood bags, the power lift, the log lift, or the mini log lift, they're all available on the website. 4 different order quantities with each one. There's like a sample, and it kind of ramps up from there 3 other times. And the more you buy, the bag price goes down quantity to quantity. The pallet is always the cheapest quantity, and we do ship the pallet out for free. Otherwise, the credit card fee and the shipping fee is included in the pricing on the website. There are no extras. When you look at that, it's the dollar amount for everything, and then I break it down for the bag price. That's there. Again, if you're interested in the rotating pallet forks, they're $4,400 plus the shipping, and at the $4,400 we will include the support arm on it. We're going to go over, like I said, and test that support arm here in the next video or two. But I like the design. It works great for regular forks. It's nice and flush at the front. It's not going to pinch anything, cut anything, rip anything, damage anything like some other ones that I've seen where it's just big and bulky that they just welded to the front. I wanted it recessed so it was fairly smooth. Beyond that, we're going to call this one a wrap, and then we'll finish it up down at Dom's tomorrow.